In this video, we'll demonstrate how to restore G Suite user data using Cloud Backup. As necessary, you can restore previously backed up mail, calendar, contact, drive, and site services data using StorageCraft Cloud Backup. When necessary, a user can be restored including all of their associated data. To begin, access Cloud Backup in the Managed Service Providers area of the Partner Portal and select the Accounts tab. Select the account you would like to restore. Use the search to locate the items you would like to restore. In the Results pane, select each item to restore. Open the Bulk Action drop-down and select the Restore Selected Items option. Specify the user to which you want to restore the items. Select the appropriate options. Make sure the folder name is one that you can remember and find easily, and select Restore. Once the restore is completed, you can view the restored items. Cloud Backup will always perform non-destructive restores while maintaining folder structure. In Gmail, select the folder where the items were restored. If it does not appear right away, you may need to refresh or wait a few minutes. In this case, since the test email was sent from this same email, it's restored to both the inbox and the sent folder. These items can be moved to the original or other folders as needed. In this demonstration, we also restored a document. This can be found in the specified folder. Access the calendar to view the restored event. This can be viewed by selecting the restored folder. Contacts are also restored to the folder as specified during the restore process. This concludes the demonstration of how to restore Office 365 items using Cloud Backup.